passionate kitesurfer, engineer, and the CEO of Revel. The Revel Arc is the world's smartest 4K action camera. So why is our camera so smart? Well, we've built in 4 different sensors into this camera that measure elevation, rotation, speed, magnetic north, as well as other motion telemetries. We use it for electronic image stabilization, which takes out all the bumps and jitters from your video. But beyond that, we've built in a secondary stabilization system, which has a motor built into the back of the camera, which keeps it always level to the horizon no matter what you're doing, including if you mount the camera on a hubcap of a van. Think of it as a gimbal, a camera, and more combined into one compact camera, which is waterproof and you can mount anywhere. You're not going to mount this anywhere. This means you can kite loop, barrel roll, and even backflip, while the Revel Arc keeps your footage stable and level to the horizon. This has never been possible before with any other camera or gimbal system. So what else do we do with all of this information? We capture all kinds of live data, including how fast you were going, how much airtime you got, even how many G-forces you pulled. On top of all that, you can connect external sensors like a heart rate monitor to measure your excitement when things get a little crazy. The final piece of the puzzle is our sensory AI, which analyzes the data associated with your footage and makes intelligent decisions. It then determines your most exciting moments and automatically creates a shareable video without hours of physical editing or even a computer. At Revel, we believe that life was made for adventuring, not editing. We want to make it as easy as possible for you to shoot, edit, and share your best moments instantly. We can't wait to see what you will be able to create with the Revel Arc. Thank you.
This is a new era of wearable cameras. Introducing Mocha Cam. This is Robbie. A new day, he gets dressed, starts a new adventure. Every day is different. Old friends say goodbye, and he meets new friends. Every moment that makes his life great, he wants to record. With Mocha Cam, the world's smallest 4K camera with a built-in magnet, there is no need to bring a selfie stick. No need to learn about complicated camera settings. At the push of a button, Robbie could record his life in every scenario. When the selfie needs no hands involved, only God knows how creative we can be. The rotatable screen module allows you to find the best filming angle. And here's one of many awesome innovations we've added to MochaCam. We've allowed the built-in battery of the screen to provide power to the camera as well, which doubles the battery life. In case even this doesn't provide enough battery life, MochaCam has spare batteries that simply snap on magnetically in 1 second to extend your battery life to 4 hours for video filming. Connect to MochaCam using Wi-Fi to control the camera and review the video directly. MochaCam also synchronizes your photos and videos and lets you share them instantly. MochaCam can also be used as a security camera. Set it to motion detector mode, put it anywhere you want, and it will last for 8 hours without a power supply. Take MochaCam with you on your life adventure. Record that exciting football match, that great moment with your friends, that action-packed view from the front of your bike, or even underwater faces at that swimming pool party. MochaCam supports 10-photo burst. Never miss a cool moment. You can also film the world up to 60 meters underwater or views from the highest sky. Unlimited time-lapse duration shows the change of time and light. Join us. Record every moment that makes you unique. Let the world know you better. Please support us. Let's make the dream come true.
Knowing that every day is precious and every moment eternal, YoCam is the solution for every moment of your life. You can keep watch over the family with YoCam's monitoring function in real time, even from thousands of miles away. Or you can carry YoCam with you to document every memory, every instant. YoCam weighs only 2 ounces without sacrificing functionality. It's lightweight and amazing. Our multi-use accessories will make YoCam an integral part of your life. Document your best moments and share them instantly. Take wide-angle selfies to the extreme with no limits. Use YoCam as a dash cam to record every ride clearly. Capture your precious moments 24/7. With YoCam, you'll never miss another outdoor adventure. YoCam is waterproof and dustproof, guaranteed with IP68 ratings. You can shoot up to 20 feet underwater. YoCam is designed to thrive in harsh environments and accompany you to new horizons. So be bold, have fun, and capture the most epic moments. With excellent stabilization and HDR technology, YoCam shoots incredible footage and takes breathtaking photos, anywhere, anytime. Switch between functions with just one click on YoYo, the Bluetooth remote control. YoCam is devoted to making life easy for everyone. With the dedicated Mofily app, you can effortlessly generate your own storybook. Hold every moment in your hand. Managing and sharing these moments has never been easier. Light, yet powerful. YoCam will exceed all your expectations. YoCam, now you can have it both ways.